Jamie Redknapp has spoken about Marcus Rashford's Manchester United career, and fans are all laughing at what he's had to say. Rashford burst onto the scene in 2015 under Louis van Gaal, and he's continued to enhance his reputation through the tutelage of Jose Mourinho. And over the weekend, on Friday night, the 20-year-old bagged his 10th goal of the season, capitalizing on some slack Yeovil Town defending to put his side in front. The England starlet spearheaded United's attack, playing down the middle in the FA Cup tie with Mourinho's team advancing to the next round. But he's been employed out on the wing by the Portuguese gaffer during the Premier League and Champions League campaign. While featuring on the bench, as of late following the scintillating form displayed by Anthony Martial. Still, playing some part of every league game this season. Despite that, Redknapp, who's renowned for hollering rubbish, thinks it's time he waves goodbye to Old Trafford. Needless to say, United fans weren't having it. Sounding off on the Sky pundit. Here's some reaction from Twitter. United resume their league campaign on Wednesday night with a tough trip to Wembley Stadium to face Spurs.